Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and I got many requests about the TLM USDT pair, TLM Alien Worlds. So this video is about the TLM price prediction. So I have drawn the Fibonacci levels, support and resistances as well. And interestingly, I found these two patterns very similar to each other. Here you can see this pattern was very similar to as compared to this pattern. Here you can see. Now this pattern came when it was in the downtrend. Okay, again this pattern again formed here when the price was in the downtrend, but here we formed a double shape. You can see here the price is falling and then went up and retesting here. Here you can see price went down, made a this, then went up, and then you can see here it retested here. It retested, got rejected, means the previous swing high was broken and we are in the uptrend. And here if we take a look here, just try to look for these two patterns here. The price came down, went up, made a new swing high, then again came down, swing low, then again tried to make a downtrend. Here if we take here, the price went down, make a new swing high, again came down, and then went down, made a new swing low here. Here you can see swing low here, and then swing low here. From there the price here, the price when this candle, at this candle, the price break the previous swing low, and on the retest it was rejected. Here the price came up, but on the retest it rejected and then made a new swing low. Okay, then price went up, made a new swing high, just like here, just like this candle. Okay, just like this candle, price came up, made a new swing high, then again got rejected from the previous swing low. Here if you take a look here, got rejected from the previous swing low. Here it got rejected from the previous swing low. And what happened after that? The price consolidated, and once it broke out, the price went up. Here it broke out, the price went up, and now it is in the phase of consolidation, like this one, this phase. Okay, so right now we might see some consolidation right here, and from there we can have a move on the upside. Okay, so this is on the basis of the this is on the basis of these patterns which I saw. Okay, now let's take a look at the levels we have drawn. So you see here, this one is a good level, or you can see a good zone. You see a lot of wicks around here, as you can see. Come on, mate. As you can see here, if we take a look at here, you see we got multiple rejections from this area, so this can act as a strong resistance if we go forward. And if we take a look at here, we can see here we have this area is a strong support zone, and you can see this candle, it got rejected from the this zone. This is a resistance, but on the downside it also got rejected from the this area. So it means, it shows that this area is now a support zone. We can name this one here around 0.2 is a support zone now. Okay, now we have to wait. Might be the price is gonna consolidate at this area. Okay, at this zone the prices might going to consolidate. But if the price of BTC, I have mentioned in almost every of my BTC, every my altcoin videos, prediction videos, I told you that all coins usually follow the BTC price. So right now, as the BTC is in the consolidation phase, it looks bearish. We might going to see this area going to retest here. We might gonna see here. Why? Because this is the previous swing low. If we take a look at here, this is the previous swing high, sorry, this one, and you can see here this was the previous swing low, then previous swing high, then swing low, and then another swing high. Then price went on moving on in like this pattern. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, so what I expect, if the price goes down, we might expect a retest at this area, the previous swing low. And if it goes below this area, like this one, okay, we might gonna find a new bottom. So please look out for this level as well. I'm gonna draw this one as a local support sorry for that. This one would be here. Okay, if price goes below this area, we might going to go down below this area. That only in the case BTC crashed or BTC dumps. But right now what I see here, right now the price might be in the consolidation phase. Okay, and if we got another rejection from this area, then surely we are going to test this level again, which would be this one, 0.26. Once this level is broken, if we got any rejection from this area, a wick is required from this area. Okay, a wick is required from this area, then surely we are going to move on the upside. Okay, but if any candle closes below this area, below this zone, surely we are going to test this 0.1452 level, because this is the swing high. This candle hole is a zone itself, it is a zone. Okay, so we might gonna go below this level. So but anyhow, if this candle, as you can see, the new candle is just forming, it's good. It has to close above this area, it has to go above this, this zone, in order for this price to break up. So if it breaks above this level, then surely we are going for this area, 0.34 level. You can see here we have a lot of wicks, and around here, around here, you can see a lot of wicks here. Okay, so in the short term we can predict the price to go to 0.34 area. And also if I turn on the EMAs, you can see the yellow line. Okay, we might, if it gets rejected from this yellow line is a 13 EMA. Okay, if it gets rejected from 13 EMA, oh sorry, this green line is a 13 EMA. If it gets rejected from this area, it means we are now in the uptrend, because this one is a 100 EMA, this one is a 200 EMA. So I have to look, let me just take a look at here. Yeah, 100, 200. Okay, so we might see, if we get rejection from this area, then we surely going to test this 0.2. okay, and once we cross above this 200 EMA, we would be in the uptrend. You can see here, if we take a look here, as the price is relatively new, so these EMAs are forming 100 and 200. Okay, you see we have a wick down. So let me show you the price of BTC, where it is. Let me go to the Binance. Let me go to the, this was the dent I was looking for. Let me show you the BTC. You see the BTC is not in the good mood today. You see this one, we have a rejection on the upside, we have a rejection on the downside. So the BTC is like, it's forming a triangle. It can break up, it can break down. So it's very indecision in the market. But the pattern which I mentioned in the previous video, which was let me go back to this chart. This was the corrective pattern, that we might be around this area. Okay, we might be around this area. So we have to wait whether the price goes down or it stays and go on. So it depends on the BTC price. You see the price is moving down right now. So what I see might be, it's gonna, if it gets rejected from this area, then surely we are going to move on the upside. On the longer run, if it passed above this zone, then these are the price ranges, these are the zones from where we can expect. Here you can see this is the take profit, this is the area, then another zone. These are the price analysis. Okay, these are the price levels where it can reach. Okay, where it can reach. Here the top would be here, and if we break above 0.8, if we break above this level, then surely we are going to this area, this one, $1.3, if and only if it crosses $0.87, $8.8797. okay, so this is the current sentiment of the price. I will keep you up to date. Right now we have to look for the short term. You see how the price is moving down on this candle here. You can see, if we take a look at closer look here, you see we are looking at this candle, and it's going down, we might see a retest at this area, or it can wick at this area, which would be this blue line. If I take a look at this blue line, which would be the medium EMA, which is 21 EMA. Okay, so it can test this blue line. Okay, it can test this blue line, and we need a rejection from here in order for the price to move off. If this candle closes below this area, then surely we are going down to 0.14. so that's the current scenario, guys. That's the current scenario, because this candle is in between the two zones. You can see 50% above, 50% down. So it's indecision in the market. You say indecision everywhere right now. So we have to wait for the confirmation. If you want to place a buy orders, you can place your buy order at here, and if it wick below, you can average down your entries around here. Okay, so wait for the confirmation. If any candle wicks here and get rejected, then place a buy order here. Okay, so these are the things you have to look for. You have to look for the price. Candles are very important. You can't trust the indicators. Okay, so this is the short technical analysis on the TLM price prediction. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much.